Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into something that could genuinely change your relationship with money. YNAB, or you need a budget. If you have ever felt like your paycheck disappeared too fast or you are not sure where your money is actually going, this is video for you. We are doing a complete step-by-step beginner tutorial for YNAB in 2025, and trust me, by the end of this video you will know exactly how to uh, manage your budget with confidence. Now, first thing first, what is YNAB? So YNAB stands for You Need a Budget. It is just an app and you can access with the website as well. It's like it built around the idea of giving every dollar a job. That means when money comes in, you tell it exactly where to go, rent, groceries, saving, even the Friday night pizza. Before you spend it, instead of reacting to bills, YNAB teaches you to plan ahead, prioritize spending, and finally take control on your finances. It's available on desktop, iPhone, and Android as well. So now here is the real magic happens. So if you talk about top YNAB rules. Now, here is the real magic happens. YNAB is based on four simple rules. Let me break it them down with the real life examples. For example, rule number one, it gives you every dollar a job. So imagine pay your back is a team of workers. Instead of letting them one wander around, you assign each one a task: bill, rent, saving, and fun money. So this is the start. And the second rule is to embrace your true income. Only budget what you have right now, not next week's checks, not next month's bonus. This helps you to stay grounded and avoid overspending. And rule number three is to roll with the punches. Life happens, budget change, spend too much or food this month, move money from another category to flexibility is part of the process. Now, rule number four is to age your money. A goal is to start using money that you earned last month, not yesterday. If you get there, you are not low. You are no longer living paycheck to paycheck. You are living ahead of your schedule. So this is the four simple step of YNAB, which is one of the best thing in YNAB. And let's talk about how you can create an account in YNAB and how you can manage it. So when you come on this website, which is YNAB, just simply go here or just simply type ynab.com. Something will appear like this and it will tell you to start your free trial. So free trial is about like 34 days. I have already logged in, which is like there are 34 days left on your trial. So I got 34 days trial free. So first of all, what you have to do is to just go in this website and click on this start your free trial. Just simply click and it will ask you to connect with your Google, connect with your Apple. So what I will do is just I will simply connect with my Google and give the permission necessary. So it says this Google account is already connected to an existing YNAB account. So I have already created an account, as you can see here, which I have already created an account. So this is all the budget. Don't get confused. This is for just for example. So when you come on this interface, you will get to see this add account, which is one of the best feature I think for YNAB. YNAB can automatically import transaction from your bank, or you can either things manually. It's up to you. Now just simply click add account. You can link your bank, automatically import transaction, or you can just start with your current balance and enter your own transactions. So what I will do is just simply click on this. Now give it a nickname. I will just simply add a number 1. And what type of account are you building? So saving account, and just what is your current account balance is like around $10,000. It's just for fun, don't take it seriously. So done. So right now I have $10,000 in my pockets. So as you can see here, if you want to connect with the bank, you can just simply click on the connect add account. It will automatically add. So set up a budget categories. For example, think of these like folders for your money, like common one including uh, rent, utilities, rent, insurance money, TV streaming, which is subscription. So you have to create target for each and once. So groceries, dining out, now, assign your money, say just got paid, for example, $10,000. Now, you tell YNAB how to allocate that. Maybe 800 to rent, just simply click on the rent and click on the create target. So, what is the rent of my property, which is $800? And so what I will do, just save category, create target. And now let's talk about utilities, which is around $500. Save target. Rent insurance is nothing, and groceries, which is around like edit target, I have already assigned. If you want to edit target, you can just simply click on the edit and add the uh, around $300. It is weekly, so it will calculate around like this. For 4 weeks it will around the $12,000 or to $1,200. So you have to set the targets. Now you can track your spending as you spend, log your transaction, or let the app sync them. This help you to stay on the top of your plan. Now review and adjust monthly. Things change, that's okay, just tweak between. And you can customize your categories as well. For example, I want to, you can modify existing categories to suit your lifestyle. Like you can replace mortgage with rent. You simply click on the rent and add the mortgage. You can do that. So just simply click on the OK. So it will create mortgage. So add a new categories like saving or emergency fund to reflect your financial goals. So you can also add a targets like saving 1 month, $1,500 a month for rent, or $700 a year for IRA. So you can assign every dollar. Use your ready to assign balance to fill in each category based on the target you set. The goal, get the ready to assign amount down to zero, meaning everything is planned for. If there is not enough money for category, YNAB will alert you. You will send to adjust for the categories. Now from here you have to track all of the spending. You can, as you connect the account update, your spend will be appear inside the YNB, YNAB categories. Each transaction, for example, groceries, dining out, bills, etc. If you overspend in one area, you can reallocate money from another category. So which is one of the good thing, I think. For example, what I will do is to, one of my favorite part of YNAB is the mobile application. Whether you are the store or grabbing a coffee, you can add expense in the real time. For example, you can go in the Google Play Store, just search for Google Play Store and search for YNAB. And as you can see here, they have built a mobile application as well. You can just simply download it. Now you can, after downloading this application, you can check your goals. You can check your budget in the real time. So I think one of the good thing about YNAB application. Now YNAB also shines when it comes to financial goals. Wants to save for a trip, you can save that for two. If you talk about emergency fund, it will save the emergency fund as well. Now if it motivating, like seeing a progress bar fill up, and the built-in a report show where your money goes, income versus spending, Net worth over time. Spending by category, it's super helpful if you are serious about improving your habits. Now, if you ever feel stuck, YNAB has a excellent support. For example, just go over here and so live chat, email, step by step tutorials, even live workshop, it's all there. You can email them as well. And if you go into YouTube and if you see YNAB, if you want to if you want to know something about YNAB, you can just simply go to their official channels. As you can see here, they have created lots of tutorials. Meet spotlight your new home base in YNAB. So they have a great community, and plus YNAB Reddit and forums are full of real users sharing tips when it comes to advice, how to save money. So even if you are new to budgeting, you are not alone. So you can just simply try it. So if you go into this, over here you can see there is this setting which is budget setting. You can change the currency as well from over here. If you lives in a different country or a different continent, you can just simply change the currency from here. And before amount, after amount, you can show that too. Now number of formats you can change from over here, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3. And date format, you can apply these settings as well. So the second is you can manage your pays as well. For example, click on the transfer, import pays that match these rules will be remained. You can enter whatever the thing is, and just come over here and see what are these. You can share with your friend that too. It's official, a low-key party. Invite up to 5 people to your subscription without having to share your password. Each member of your group gets their own YNAB account with the ability to create budget and share them with other members. So you can share with your friend as well. So as you can see here, I have created this one for the April month. Whenever I add something, for example, utilities, more need by the 30 April, for example, I will add this and hit enter. So it will remove from budget. So whenever I make purchase of something, I will just simply update over here, or I can create a target. When you create a target, we will let you know how much money to set aside to stay on track over time. So this is one of the helpful website and application to manage your budget. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this website. Now, pros of this YNAB application is give you full control of your money, and the second thing is it teaches you to proactive budgeting, not just tracking. And you can customize and create for all income levels, real-time syncing across the devices, awesome mobile experience, encourage saving and long-term planning. So this is the pros of this YNAB application. And you can get the free trial for 35 days. It is also a pro. Now when it comes to cons, it's like it's subscription costs, but many says it pays for itself. For example, if you talk about the pricing of this YNAB, you can just come over here, save 6,000. As you can see, you can compare with this plan. uh, you can when save $600 in 30 days, 6 in 1 year. Stop second guessing your spending. So you have to pay $9 a month annually. If you want to buy the monthly plan, you can just simply click on the monthly. Then you have to pay $15. So I think which makes this website little bit costly. But if you're serious about your creating your budget, managing your budget, this will help a lot. So learning curve, if you are new to zero based budgeting, it will make little difficult to you. Now it requires regular inputs and habit building. So whenever you make purchase of something, or you have to come on this website and you have to make changes after coming over, so it makes little boring, and sometimes you forget about this. So this is the downside of this website. But if you are serious about taking control of your finance, YNAB is worth every penny. So all right, that's your full beginner's walkthrough of YNAB for 2025. If this video helped you to know what is YNAB and how you can create your budget, how you can create or manage your budget. So if you help in that way, you can give us a like and you can subscribe as well. So thanks for watching.